Hello, welcome back to my channel. So I know I've been gone for a hot second on this channel, and as you can see I've had a little bit of a room transformation. I've been documenting lots of it over on my Instagram, so if you don't follow me over there, go and check that out. But I've been kind of trying to decipher what I wanted to really focus on my channel here, and I really want to make authentic content that you guys hopefully love and that I like to make, so that will encourage me to make more content. So yeah, I know I've been a bit lax and I'm sorry about that, but I have had quite a few things going on behind the scenes that I'm excited to share. Actually, one of them is that I have started a new journey to become a reformer Pilates instructor, and I thought I would document my whole journey from going to sign up, from each week doing my classes, kind of letting you know how I'm getting on and my struggles. And it is something that I've never done before, and long story short, I basically was looking for something new, something fresh, something different, and I love fashion, absolutely, will always love fashion. It's my first love, my first baby, but I knew I was looking for something a little bit more, and this opportunity came up to do a training course and become an instructor, and I absolutely love Reformer Pilates. I think it's honestly the most effective type of workout I've ever found, and I love it, and I go all the time. I go 4 times a week, and honestly when I don't go I really feel it in my body, and it's as much for my mind as it is for the way I feel, but it is for the way I feel. It makes me feel strong and toned, and I feel great when I'm doing it. So what I wanted to say to you guys is, what kind of content would you like to see more of? I know I get a lot of questions about wellness, health and fitness, what I eat, how I work out. So I kind of thought you might like to come on this journey with me as well, and just kind of share in every part of it, I guess, and see how it all goes. And on that journey I thought, I can share the things I like to wear when I'm working out, the foods I like to eat to keep me fueled, but I really want to know what you guys want to see. So leave me some comments in the box down below. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already, because I'd love you to kind of come on this wellness journey with me and yeah, step into kind of a whole new world. It feels really scary, but I'm not scared at all. I'm super excited, if that makes any sense. So anyway, I just wanted to make this super quick video because I just wanted to firstly welcome myself back to my channel. Hi, I'm still here. And I also really want to find out if that's something you guys want to see. I have already started filming the process because I've already signed up to the course. I actually started this weekend and I'm so nervous and excited, and I can't wait. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below your thoughts, and of course I also will be doing fashion videos. In fact, I actually have a kind of new in haul. Literally all the pieces are sat right in front of me. So if you are excited to see that, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe if you're not already for more videos. And I will see you next time. Bye!